Turn it up.
Love this track.
Young win. Come on, guys.
There's no need to feel down. I said, young man, pick yourself off the ground. I said, young man, 'cause you're in a new town. There's no need to be unhappy, young man. There's a place you can go. I said, young man, when you're short on your dough, you can stay there, and I'll show you a fine.
Morning. Morning. These are the lads from the agency. Agency?
Morning.
Have you been inducted?
Yeah.
Yep.
You ain't working on my site looking like that. Into the office, Toolbox talk now.
Cool, man.
Morning, you rebel.
Morning.
As mentioned, I'm here this morning before you even start contemplating working on my site to complete a Toolbox talk on, importantly, PPE. Everybody know what PPE stands for?
Yes.
I think so.
Okay, 5 elements to PPE. First critical element, hard hats, appropriate for the job. Everybody, before they work on my site, needs to have a hard hat. That's more like it. Second element, protective eyewear, not those stupid shades. Okay, much better. Third element, high visibility vests. Nice one. High visibility vests important so that customers can see you and other elements of the workforce can see you. You listening to me, sailor boy? Now that's better. I can see you village idiots now quite clearly. Fourth element, protective handwear. Making sure it's appropriate for the task in hand. Yeah, that includes you, cowboy. Not you, sailor boy. Those are much, much better. So, last element, footwear, protective safety footwear. Not slippers, not whatever they are, appropriate for the job, safety footwear. Those are much better. So, we all look like we're ready to start work on the site now. You've all got your 5 elements, which is great. Anybody got any questions at all about Toolbox talk and about protective equipment? No? All I need you all to do is just sign this to say you've participated in this Toolbox talk, and then you're free to take these guys onto site. You first.
Cheers.
Okay, remember guys, PPE at all times while you're on my site and on my watch.
Right, chaps, let's go.
Cheers.
How do you make a Toolbox talk work? How do you make it relevant? We think it's YMCA. Why? The person delivering the Toolbox talk needs to know precisely why they're doing it and make that clear to the audience they've got. M, make sure the message is relevant, make sure the message is coherent. C, are they clear and concise in the way in which the message is delivered? A, is it appropriate to the audience they've got? Do they understand the words? Do they understand the message? Make sure that all of those are done and you'll deliver a fantastic Toolbox talk. Thank you.